Y'all, it's Saturday, February 5th, and I love filming on a Saturday right here at Akins in Winder, Georgia, because service is now closed. There's hardly anybody here on the backside. We're only an hour from closing, and it's just peace. And Real Deal gets to roll with 2 custom vehicles for you today. Most dealerships are having trouble getting any of these in the stock form, but the trend, you know how we do it here at Akins. We have 2, actually 3 Area 51 Bronco Covert editions for you today. Both of these vehicles are very similar in the fact that they are 1.5 inch lifted on 35s with some other accessories that add to your safety and everyday enjoyment of the vehicle. If you're ready for it, first of all, before we get into it, let's go. Area 51 is a great color. It has that flat primer look to it with some blue and gray theme going on. And we have 2 variations, black wheel on the far left and then a gray method here in 17 inch and then 20 inch, just to show you guys variations that you can pull off both wheel combination colors on this vehicle. You've got gray in the grille, obviously black on bumpers and other components throughout. Both are soft tops here for you. So a black wheel or gray wheel hits just right. Now these, as I mentioned earlier, are Covert edition packages because they are 1.5 inch leveled only. The Badlands, properly equipped, have the Bilstein shock package, coilovers, front and rear, and with this application here, we have found through just research and trial and error that that 2-inch kit is just not quite the confident kit that we want to run on this particular suspensions package from Ford. So we opted for the 1.5-inch FabTech suspension level kit up front, and it enables us to accommodate 35s with ease with a 0 offset. So our first wheel combo in the Nitro Trail Grappler Mud Terrain tire, 35, 12.5, 20 in the Fuel Nitro, a very off-roadish wheel. Put it on Bubba Chandler's F-150 and run it on Jeeps before as well. That true mud terrain tire looking great on that Nitro. And then our second is the Method MR317 in their gray finished titanium, they call it. It's a newer wheel, looks great. And we have a Yokohama G-Lander XAT all-terrain tire. Good all-terrain tire. It really does perform well off-road. 35, 12.5, 18. Let me know what you think about the Yokohama tire going all-terrain versus mud terrain. So our first comparison difference is we have all-terrain tire on mud terrain tire. Let me know what your thoughts are. Obviously this one looks more rugged and aggressive. This one's going to ride slightly better as far as overall smoothness. Definitely more capable off-road than the all-terrain. In the bumper, you also notate we did the rigid triple fog LED kit. This is essentially the Raptor kit. The middle one is a street legal light. Then you have spotlight on the right and floodlight on the left. Great use of this on your auxiliary switches and great use of having a functional fog light for once on both of these, and rigid 360 Pro Series LED lights in a 4-inch size with a rigid bracket as well. I love these ditch lights, as I call them. They give you great confidence even on road at night, certain times, certain conditions, have that added confidence when needed. No, those are not legal, just like your floodlight and spotlight are not on the road either, but looks great, and they're small, not very obtrusive, but definitely a great overall look and benefit at nighttime. So on the side, I gotta show this shot off. This angle right here to me is just where it's at right there. I love that stance. It looks like a Scout or old Bronco. It's the greatest combination, kind of like the Challenger of old school, new school vibe. I truly love it. Let me know what y'all think about that as well. Do you agree with that? No spare tire carrier needed for this setup out back, but just looks great throughout, as well as on this one here. Man, gotta love that. Now we did the Rock Slide Engineering rock rail / power board here. I want to show you the functionality of that. The first one we've gotten in folds down nicely. Good confident step entry. Close the door. Right up. So let me know again also what you think about the power board of this model and manufacturer. We used to do the amp research a lot as well. Let me know what you think about that there. But we have 2 diamonds here for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Did a speedometer calibrator on the, oh God, I gotta tell y'all, I forgot. On the inside, both of these are manual transmission. They're 2.3 liter turbo EcoBoost, which turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. I love this gear ratio, final drive. Got a really good low end gear and very adequate on the power, especially on 35s. No problem. Got your lockers front and rear up there as well. The wife and I have now had her Bronco for a little over a month now, and she truly loves it. The ride quality is so impressive, and it's fun, y'all. It's the biggest thing I can share about the Bronco experience so far is that it's nimble, it's athletic, and it is fun to drive. She comes home and she's just smiling, and it does the same thing to me, y'all. It's just a great feeling driving a vehicle that gives you pleasure. So got to check out the Bronco, a very refined, modern, classic SUV option. Now I also want to show you a Jeep comparison real quick. So when the Bronco came out with the Sasquatch package that had 35s, the way it sits, Jeep, and I love this thing, y'all, that other manufacturers step up when others step up. So Jeep came out with their Recon tire package, which gives you a 456 rear gear ratio, 35-inch tires from the factory, spare tire relocator, just some added benefits, much like you get on the Sasquatch package. So here we have a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in Sting Gray sitting right next to our Ford Bronco Covert Edition, both on 35. So our Sasquatch package from Ford on the Bronco comes just like this. So this is actually the first time that I put these two side by side in this fashion. I want to get a Sasquatch and put it next to the Recon package as well. Very, very similar overall. Bronco definitely slightly wider, but this is a cool little ending shot here for you to show you a direct comparison between the direct competition. That's how we do it on a Saturday, y'all. It's been a great one for me. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and like the video too. I know I'm asking of a lot, but if you're still watching at this point, I know you'll do that for me at least. It would mean a great deal to me. The algorithm of YouTube, I want to make sure that they push this video to other viewers like yourselves that wanted to see this content. That's all, y'all. So again, thanks so much. Got much more coming to you. We just filmed another Bronco R Area 51 as well, so check that one out. Also, y'all, stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive. Peace out.